Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access screeners in TradingView. If you've ever wanted a quick way to sift through thousands of symbols and find the ones that match your trading ideas, the built-in screener is the fastest place to start. Instead of manually clicking through charts one by one, you can let the platform do the sorting for you in seconds. Here's how to open it and get oriented so you can begin filtering confidently and save yourself a ton of time. On the TradingView interface, look toward the bottom right of your screen. You'll see a small grid-style icon. It's designed to open tools related to lists and scanning. Go ahead and click that grid icon. When the menu appears, choose Screener. That action opens the Screener panel, giving you a structured table of symbols and a powerful set of controls to narrow them down. Think of this table like a customizable spreadsheet built specifically for traders. You can sort columns, rearrange them, and quickly scan for the exact data points that matter to you. At the top of the screener, you'll find the filter tools. This is where the real value lives. These filters let you define exactly what you want to see, so you can focus on tradable ideas instead of noise. For example, if you're only interested in stocks above $10 that are moving at least 3% today with strong volume, you can set that up in just a few clicks. You can filter by common metrics like price, percentage change, volume, and volatility, as well as fundamentals such as market cap or valuation ratios, depending on the asset class you're looking at. The more specific you get, the more aligned your results will be with your strategy. If you're primarily focused on stocks, start with a few simple criteria, like minimum average volume to ensure liquidity, a price range that fits your risk tolerance, or performance over a specific period to find momentum. For example, you might look for stocks with at least 500,000 shares in average daily volume, so you can enter and exit positions more easily. If you follow other markets, you can also explore screeners for different asset types and tailor your filters accordingly. Whether you're looking at ETFs, forex pairs, or crypto, the same principle applies. Define what qualifies as a good opportunity for you, then let the screener surface it. As you apply filters, the table below updates in real time. This is your dynamic shortlist. Every adjustment instantly reshapes your results, which makes testing different ideas incredibly fast. The goal is to refine it until you're left with a manageable set of symbols that fit your plan. Instead of staring at thousands of tickers, you might narrow it down to 10 or 15 strong candidates worth deeper analysis. Keep an eye on how each filter narrows or broadens your results. It's normal to start broad and tighten gradually. Many traders prefer to begin with just one or two filters, then layer on more conditions as patterns emerge. This step-by-step approach helps you understand which criteria actually make a difference. Above all, remember that the screener is a discovery tool. It's not making decisions for you, it's helping you find possibilities faster. Use it to surface opportunities that you can then evaluate on your charts and with your strategy. Once you've identified a promising symbol, open the chart, apply your indicators, and confirm whether it truly meets your entry criteria. Data availability can vary by exchange and plan, so if something looks off, consider that some markets may have delayed quotes. That's completely normal and doesn't affect how you set up your filters. Just make sure you understand your data feed, especially if you're trading actively. And there you go. Click the grid icon at the bottom right, select Screener, and use the filter tools above to start screening and watching the stocks you want to track. The more you practice with different filter combinations, the more intuitive the process becomes. Keep it simple, iterate on your filters, and let the screener do the heavy lifting. Over time, you'll build a repeatable process that consistently brings quality setups to your attention. That's all.